Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create a lovely signature for your email. It's super simple and it can take you less than 5 minutes. So let's get into it. So you're going to go to Canva and in the search field, you want to go ahead and type in email signature and hit enter. You're going to find many templates that you can choose from. Now, remember, anything that has a crown or says pro, as the name says, is a premium template and it's a paid plan. So, if you don't have a paid plan, then you want to go ahead and choose one that doesn't have a crown, something like this. So you can use one of the templates that Canva has, and then you edit it as you see fit. Or alternatively, you can create one from scratch, a blank template here. So for the purpose of this video and to save time, I'm going to go ahead and choose a template that Canva already have laid out here for me. And let's go ahead with this one here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then I'm going to click customize this template. And here I can go ahead and change the color, name, and add other elements to the signature that I'm looking to create. So first I'm going to go ahead and change the picture. I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to try to use a picture that I already have, and I'm going to drag it in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and change the name. I'm going to add my name, and I'm going to put my whatever my title is, and in this case I'm going to type in content creator or whatever is my title, or your title rather. Go ahead and add a telephone number. We're going to go with 416 1111 1234. Whatever you want to add here, your email address, telephone number. I'm going to go ahead and change the color um, to this color here. Then we can change the outer layer's color as well. We can match it up. Just anything that you want to edit in your template, you can go ahead. You can remove elements and so forth. Okay, so let's pretend this is all ready to go. I'm gonna rename it and I'm gonna call it my main signature. And then I'm gonna go share. I'm gonna hit download. And in this case, I wanna go ahead and download this as a PNG. So go ahead and hit download. That's gonna be saved to my download file. Next, you want to head over to your email account. And in this case, I'm using a Gmail account. Click on your settings, see all settings, scroll until you find a signature. And we're going to create a new signature. We're going to call this main. Hit create. Then we're going to click insert image. We're going to go ahead and browse. So go to upload, browse. Find your main signature where you saved it. You want to go ahead and allow. And then where it says signature defaults, you want to choose your main. If you want your signature to appear when you reply or you forward something, then you go ahead again and you can hit main. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit save. Then when you go to your compose, when you go to write an email, your signature would be right there. And just like that, guys, we have created a beautiful signature, a professional signature for your emails using Canva. If you found this information helpful, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.